Automation Day. Today, I'm going to talk about SCHUNK's match ground jaws. Check it out. When precision matters, every detail counts. SCHUNK takes accuracy a step further, literally. Using the same proven method as their world-class grippers, they match grind each base jaw to its specific base body on every tandem vise. This extra step ensures maximum contact, better force distribution, and a tighter tolerance fit. The result? Increased clamping force, higher accuracy, and a longer service life, all built right in. SCHUNK tandem vises with match ground jaws, where precision meets performance. For more information, visit our website, www.fusionoem.com. If you'd like to chat, give us a call, 866-952-9020. Until next time, have a great day.